Video, I'm going to show you how to put text over an image in WordPress without any coding. First, open your browser and go to wordpress.com. Click the login button and select Continue with Google to quickly access your account. Choose the Google account linked to your WordPress site to enter the dashboard. Next, go to the right panel and click Edit Site under Quick Links. In the site editor, select the page and the image where you want to add text. Click on the image and choose Text over Image. A text box will appear over your image. Type your caption, call to action, or information directly into this box. You can adjust the text's size, color, and alignment to match your image and site design. And that's it. Added text over an image on WordPress, enhancing your site's visuals without any coding. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.